Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you quick steps to move projects to a folder in Canva. So here I'm going to go to my recent designs, and let's say I want to move a design, for example this design right here, into a folder in my Canva. And here is how you can do it. First, you can just click on the three dots icon on the design in here, this one, and there will be an options to move to folder. Tap on that, then here select the folder, and if you want to create a new one, you can just click on the create a new and name the folder. For example, this is, I'm going to just type resume, and after that just click on add to new folder. Okay, to see if the file is there, you can just go to your profile. So here I'm going to go to my Canva home first, click on the three lines icon at the top, and go to the projects, and here go to folders, and this you can just find it. So on here, this is the new folder that I created and the design or projects that I moved. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.